King English Podcast. Learn English with confidence.
Hey everyone, welcome back to King English Podcast.
Hi guys, we're so happy you're here with us today.
If you want to understand English better and speak more naturally, you're in the right place.
That's right. Today we're talking about something very useful, very common, and very important.
Yes, today's topic is how to use the present continuous.
Don't worry, we will explain everything step by step.
Simple words
Simple sentences,
and lots of examples.
so relax, take a deep breath.
And let's start learning together. Part 1. What is the present continuous? Mike, what is the present continuous?
Good question. The present continuous is a tense we use to talk about something happening right now.
Right now, at this moment.
Exactly. For example, I am speaking,
And I am listening.
and you are listening to this podcast.
Yes, you are learning English right now.
That is the present continuous.
So it means something is happening at this moment?
Yes, now. Not yesterday, not tomorrow.
Now.
Let's give more examples.
I am sitting.
She is reading.
They are playing.
We are studying.
Do you see the pattern?
Don't worry, we'll explain the formula next.
Okay, everyone, let's talk about the formula.
The structure is very simple.
Subject plus am, is, or are plus verb plus ing.
Let's repeat that. Subject
Plus am, is, or are.
plus verb plus ing.
For example,
I am working.
you are studying.
He is sleeping.
She is cooking.
We are learning English.
They are watching TV.
Very simple.
Let's break it down. When do we use am?
We use am with I.
I am.
When do we use is?
With he, she, it.
He is, she is, it is.
And we use are with you, we, and they.
You are, we are, they are.
Great! Spelling rules. Important for beginners.
Now let's talk about spelling.
Yes, because we add ing.
Most verbs are easy.
Work to working.
Play to playing.
Eat to eating.
But sometimes we double the last letter.
Like run to running.
Sit to sitting.
Also, if the verb ends in e,
We remove the E.
make to making.
Write to writing.
Very good. Now let's talk about usage.
When do we use this tense?
Use number 1. Something happening now.
I am talking.
You are listening.
She is driving.
Use number 2. Temporary situations.
For example, I am living in New York this month.
That means it is not permanent.
Exactly.
Use number 3. Future plans.
Yes, this is important.
We can use present continuous for future plans.
Example, I am meeting my friend tomorrow.
We are traveling next week.
It means the plan is already decided.
Very useful for daily conversation.
Let's talk about signal words.
These words help you know when to use present continuous.
Common signal words are
Now,
right now,
at the moment,
today.
this week.
For example,
I am working right now.
she is studying at the moment.
They are traveling this week.
Very easy.
What about negative sentences?
Easy.
Subject plus am, is, or are plus not plus verb ing.
I am not sleeping.
She is not working.
They are not playing.
You can also say isn't, aren't.
She isn't studying.
They aren't watching TV.
Simple.
How do we ask questions?
Just change the order.
Am, is, are plus subject plus verb ing.
Am I talking too fast?
Are you listening?
Is she working?
Are they coming?
Very easy pattern.
Let's practice with a real conversation.
Okay.
Hey Mike, what are you doing?
I'm recording a podcast.
Oh, nice. Are you working from home today?
Yes, I am. What are you doing?
I'm drinking coffee and preparing for class.
Are you teaching later?
Yes, I'm teaching at 3 p.m.
That's great.
See? Very natural conversation.
We use present continuous all the time.
Let's talk about mistakes.
Mistake number 1, forgetting am, is, are.
Wrong. I working.
Correct, I am working.
Mistake number 2, using base verb.
Wrong, she is work.
Correct. She is working.
Mistake number 3, using present simple instead.
Wrong. I watch TV now.
Correct, I am watching TV now.
Remember, if it's happening now, use present continuous.
Now let's practice listening.
We will speak slowly.
Listen carefully.
I am sitting in my room.
I am recording a podcast.
The sun is shining outside.
People are walking on the street.
A child is playing in the park.
Birds are singing.
Now we'll say it at natural speed. I am sitting in my room.
I am recording a podcast.
The sun is shining outside.
People are walking on the street.
A child is playing in the park.
Birds are singing.
Today we learned
The formula,
the structure,
when to use it,
signal words,
questions and negatives.
and real-life examples.
Remember, English is not about being perfect.
It's about practice.
You are improving every day,
You are learning right now.
and we are proud of you.
Keep listening, keep practicing.
And we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.